Welcome to the Ultimate Trading Podcast for beginner traders. I'm your host, Isabel Maria, and today, we're diving into an absolutely vital aspect of trading that's often overlooked by many beginners: staying focused. Now, when I first started out in trading, I had all the excitement in the world, and honestly, a little bit of naive optimism. Like many new traders, I thought it was all about finding the right strategy, executing a few trades, and boom, profits rolling in. But what I quickly learned is that success in trading isn't just about having a solid strategy. It's also about the mental discipline to stay focused on that strategy, day in and day out. The market is full of distractions, from the constant flow of news and social media chatter to the noise in our personal lives. There's always something pulling at our attention, whether it's the latest market buzz or the ping of a new notification on your phone. It's easy to get distracted. But staying focused is one of the core principles that separates consistent traders from those who just chase the next shiny thing. Let me ask you something. How often have you found yourself getting caught up in the noise, maybe chasing a trade you saw on Twitter, or reacting emotionally to a sudden market shift? It happens to all of us. But if you want to succeed, you've got to learn how to shut that all out and stick to your game plan. One of the reasons focus is so important in trading is because it ensures precision in execution. The market doesn't wait for you to finish checking your emails or scrolling through news articles. A good trading strategy is built on executing trades with precision, entering and exiting at the right time based on predefined criteria. If you're not focused, you're likely to make impulsive decisions. Like jumping into a trade because of a headline, or exiting too early out of fear or greed. The other major reason focus is key is risk management. Every trade involves a level of risk, and staying focused helps you stay aware of those risks. If your mind is scattered, you might not properly manage your stop losses or might expose your capital to too much risk, which can quickly spiral into losses. And trust me, trading is stressful enough without adding unnecessary risk into the mix. Let me take a moment to share a story with you, a real case study of a trader named James, who made huge strides in his trading simply by staying focused and managing distractions better. James had been trading Forex for several years. And while he had a good grasp on market dynamics and trading strategies, his results were inconsistent. Some months he'd see great profits, but then he'd experience significant losses. It was a roller coaster. What was the issue? Distractions. He was constantly reacting to market noise. Social media posts, news alerts, market commentators, you name it, James was all over it. And it wasn't just external distractions, personal stress was also taking a toll on his focus. He'd often make impulsive trades based on headlines or tweets, miss crucial entry or exit points, and his emotional state would sometimes drive his decisions. James realized something had to change. He started with a deep dive into his trading habits and began analyzing his trading journal. And what did he find? Impulsive trades, missed opportunities, and emotional reactions, all symptoms of a lack of focus. So, James made a decision: he was going to overhaul his approach. First, he refined his trading plan. He clarified his entry and exit points, as well as his risk management strategies. He made sure to stick to this plan, no matter what was happening in the market or on his X feed, the former Twitter feed. Then, he developed a daily routine. He set aside specific times for market analysis and for trading, ensuring he wasn't rushing decisions. He also made time for exercise and meditation to help manage his stress and clear his mind. This was a game changer. By creating a routine, James started to build a sense of discipline around his trading, and that discipline helped him maintain his focus. But he didn't stop there. James also realized he needed to limit his intake of information. All that noise, the constant updates, the market commentary, the endless news, was too much. So he decided to limit his news consumption to specific times during the day. He also made sure to only follow reliable sources that aligned with his strategy. On top of that, James created a dedicated trading workspace, free from distractions. He communicated with his family about the importance of uninterrupted trading time, ensuring that he could focus fully while working on his trades. And lastly, he made sure to use technology wisely. He employed trading alerts and automated systems to help with execution, but he remained fully engaged in the decision-making process. He didn't let the machines take over. Now, what were the results of all this focus? Over the next few months, James saw a remarkable improvement in his trading performance. His profits became more consistent, and his risk management improved. He wasn't letting emotions drive his decisions anymore. And he wasn't chasing every market movement. Instead, he stuck to his plan and executed trades with precision. He also gained more emotional control. Mindfulness and stress management techniques helped him to keep calm and stay focused, even when the market was volatile. And as a result, his trade execution became more precise, capturing better entry and exit points. James's story is a perfect example of how maintaining focus can truly turn your trading around. The distractions will always be there, that's just part of life. But by developing a clear trading plan, establishing a routine, limiting information overload, using technology to your advantage, and practicing mindfulness, you can significantly improve your performance. So here's a question for you, my fellow traders. What kind of distractions do you face in your trading, and what steps have you taken to stay focused? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Leave a comment down below, or join me on social media. Let's get the conversation going. Before we wrap up today's episode, let's go over a few key takeaways. First, it's crucial to develop a solid trading plan and stick to it. Your plan is your anchor in the market, helping you stay focused on what matters and not be swayed by distractions. Second, create a routine that reinforces discipline. When you make trading part of your daily schedule, you avoid the chaos of reacting to every market movement. Third, limit your intake of information. The markets don't need your constant attention. Be strategic about when and where you get your market updates, and be sure they align with your trading strategy. Fourth, use technology wisely. There are plenty of tools out there to help with trade execution, but don't let them replace your decision-making process. And lastly, remember to manage your stress and take care of your mental health. Trading can be intense, and staying calm and focused is essential for long-term success. Trading is a mental game as much as it is a technical one. If you can stay focused on your strategy, block out distractions, and remain disciplined, you'll put yourself in a much stronger position to succeed.
Thank you for listening to the 101 Trading Tips in the Ultimate Trading Podcast, brought to you by bellsforex.com AudioWorks. We hope this episode gave you insights, perspective, and practical ideas to strengthen your trading mindset and improve your decision-making. Stay disciplined, keep learning, and remember, every trade is a step toward building your edge. If you found value in today's episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Sharing the podcast with fellow traders helps us grow and bring even more free trading education to the community. Visit us anytime at bellsforex.com for resources, guides, and tools to support your trading journey. Until next time, trade smart, stay disciplined, and keep building your edge. Happy trading!